Copper and bronze, known as the red metals, may look the same but are in reality rather different. Copper. Copper is used in a wide range of products due to its excellent electrical and thermal conductivity, and also good strength. Due to the high corrosion resistance, copper is an excellent material to use it for pipes. There are several grades of unalloyed copper, and vary according to the contained impurities. We also need to consider that copper has fantastic properties to fight against bacteria. More than 300 copper alloys can kill 99% bacteria after 120 minutes of contact. Copper applications. Copper is most commonly found in electrical materials because of its attribute to conduct electricity. Bronze. Bronze is an alloy based on copper with additional other elements. To get different properties, it is possible to add different components, like tin, arsenic, phosphorus, aluminum phosphorus, manganese and silicon as well. All of these ingredients produce an alloy much harder than copper alone. Bronze is characterized by its dull gold color. Another difference between copper and bronze is that bronze has rings in the surface. Bronze applications. Bronze is used in components like musical instruments, cups, metals, ring bells, and in industrial applications such as small parts and panels, and architecture. Bronze also has nautical applications because of its resistance to corrosion. Benefits of bronze. Bronze is one of the metals with high cost effectiveness, excellent surface finishes, and high dimensional precision, high thermal and electrical conductivity, non-magnetic and non-sparking properties, and resistance to corrosion and metal fatigue. Other bronze alloys. Aluminum bronze. This has an aluminum content range of 6% to 12%, an iron content maximum of 6%, and a nickel content of maximum 6% too. The combination provides augmented strength, mixed with excellent resistance to corrosion. This material is commonly used in the manufacturing of marine hardware, sleeve bearings and pumps or valves that handle corrosive fluids. Silicon bronze. This is an alloy that can cover both brass and bronze. In most of the cases, it contains 20% zinc and 6% silicon. Red bronze, it says lower concentrations of zinc than brass. It is commonly used in the manufacturing of pump and valve components. Nickel silver. This is an alloy that contains copper, nickel and zinc. The nickel gives the material a silver visual aspect. This material has intermediate strength and moderately corrosion resistance. This material is typically used to make musical instruments, food and beverage equipment, optical equipment, and other items where the aesthetic is an important factor. Copper nickel. This alloy can contain from 2% to 30% nickel. This material has a very high corrosion resistance and has thermal stability. This material also possesses a very high tolerance to corrosion cracking under stress and oxidation in a steam and moist air environment. Higher nickel content improves corrosion resistance in seawater, and resistance to marine biological pollutant.